Welcome to Plan, Prep, Pray. Hey girlie, my name is Wendy and I am a homeschooling stay-at-home mom of 4 little ones, and on this channel I talk about productivity tips, methods, and resources because peaceful presence can be found when we are good stewards of our time. So if you hear the TV in the background, I'm sorry, that is what I get. So that's what they get so that they can be a little quiet while I record. All right, so if you've been around my channel for a little bit, you know that I am an aspiring minimalist. And so one thing that we've been doing for years now, I want to say about 4 years, is we've been doing a capsule wardrobe or a minimalist kids wardrobe in which everything pretty much matches everything. Majority of their shoes go together, and this, that, and the other. But with the holiday season and just different things that have happened, we have accumulated a lot of clothes, and our children have outgrown a lot of clothes that I haven't really taken the time to weed through all the things. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me and show you exactly how I do capsule wardrobe and how I've been doing it for the past 6 years now. Let's do this. Okay, so I do a no-fold system with my kids' clothing, and so that's why you'll see a lot of stuff in bins and a lot of stuff in hangers. Nothing is really folded. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing, sorry, just making sure the microphone is still on. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend doing like multiple kids at once when you're trying to capsule wardrobe. I've been doing this for a few years, so I've got it down a little bit. So I like to keep about 10 tops and 10 bottoms for my boys. For my girls, I like to keep a couple of dresses. I want to say about 7 dresses. I try to stay around that, 7, 8 dresses, and closer to 5 tops and 5 bottoms for them. The other thing is pajamas. I like to make sure that everyone has at least 5 sets of pajamas, usually 7. I like to have a week's worth. Shoes, I like 1 pair of sneakers for everybody, 1 pair of sandals or like open-toe type shoes or Crocs like that, and then 1 pair of nice shoes for everyone. So everybody should have 3 pairs of shoes, usually not more than that. So my first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go through everybody's sets of clothes, making sure that all their clothes fits. So for example, I have a daughter, she's 6 years old, she's wearing 7, 8. So anything that she has that is 6 and lower, I'm going to be getting rid of those. The unfortunate thing about loving a good pattern, because I have a boy girl, is that my daughter is 6 and 1. So unless I want to keep something for 5 years, I don't tend to do that. I tend to donate. We tend to get a lot of hand-me-downs, and grandma tends to buy a lot of their clothing and stuff like that. So I don't necessarily need to keep everything. If something is really special or nice, then I will. But for the most part, I get rid of things, especially for my boys. I have a 9-year-old and a 3-year-old, same situation. So I need to go through everybody's clothes, take out the things that don't fit, take out the things that have holes in them, and then see what I'm left with and where I can start to build my capsule wardrobe from there. Oh, lastly, colors. I like to stick within a color palette. Usually it's gray and black with 1 accessory color, because I like for all the clothes to be able to match. I like for my children to be able to go in their bin, grab a top, grab a bottom, and it goes together. And so because of that, I just try to stick within a color palette. She loves this dress. She wears this dress all the time. And if you look right here, she's got a hole right here and right here. And so because she loves it so much, it would be something that I would sew for her, but it is getting a little small. So it's choices. I don't know if I should just You see what I mean? I don't know if I should just sew it. Or if I should get rid of it. It's going in the maybe pile. We'll see. Now, this is her favorite pajama. Ooh, it's been through it, but I wouldn't dare get rid of it. So you can tell which one of my children have attachment things. Okay, so once again, I'm talking about my daughter's clothes. But I wanted to say that I know I had mentioned that with kids' clothes, I want every top to match every bottom. You know, the whole premise of a capsule wardrobe. But for my daughter, it's more of a minimalistic style. Her clothes don't need to match. Every top does not need to match every bottom. She instinctually will match her clothes from her top to her bottom. She thinks about her clothes. When it comes to my boys, they grab whatever and put whatever on. So I have to make sure their clothes are really capsule wardrobed well. But when it comes to my daughter and for my 1-year-old, it doesn't necessarily have to be completely like color coordinated, capsule wardrobe type thing, because she'll take her time and then I pick out the baby's clothes. So when you see in the end, that's why. That's the other thing I forgot. Everybody needs a jacket. Alrighty, so I am done weeding through a majority of their things. So now what I'm going to do is go through each one of their things, each one of them, see what they have when it comes to the list that I've made. This is the basket of things that I am donating. So I'm gonna go through each one of them individually, see what they have, see what they need. Like I know my boys need shirts. They're good on bottoms, but they need like t-shirts. So I know they need shirts, and I know my baby girl needs, sorry, that's my dog. I know my baby girl needs a couple of things, and so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, and make a list and then go shopping, and I'll show you guys the final capsules for everyone. All right. Yeah. 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 Snuggle. She's saying hi.
Hi.
Okay. You're gonna go get Snuggles? Okay, can I get a kiss? Okay, go get Snuggles. You want mommy to come? Okay, hold on. All right, I gotta go get Snuggles. But that is pretty much all that we've got for our capsule wardrobes. I am going to be getting about 3 or 4 more shirts for my little boy. But that's about it, guys. That's how I capsule. That's how I do it. Yeah, Mama's coming. I have to go get Snuggles. If you have any questions, Snuggles. Okay. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I'm gonna wave at the people. I can't see you. Bye.